Today you will learn Techno-Ender. The best bike to use is a dirt bike. If you don't have one, check on Bikeflip for some offers.
Yeah, I'm standing right here. Demons all around, but I ain't got no fear. You can kick me round, but I won't stay down. I run this town, ain't backing down. We going them rounds. Yeah, the winds will blow, but these roots too deep. I'm on my feet, the underdog, and I won't be beat. In the fire now, but I won't be burned. I was waiting for this, and now it's my turn. Sweat on my face, blood in my eyes. Been underground, now I aim for the sky.
Before learning this trick, you need to know how to jump. And if you don't, probably it's better looking the other tutorial we've done before. Okay, once you're done, you're ready to start. You will need a good pump. And once in the air, you need to bring the bar to your hips. Close your knee to hold the frame and lay your chest in front. At the same time, you can open your arm and try to fly like a bird. Watch out for your front tire. You don't want to have a mark on your face. So put your head on the right or left of your front wheel. Now bring back your hands on the bar, move back in neutral position and get ready to land. Yes, sick! Now take it to the next level.